It's your turn!
Hi, I am Guardia Mayumi. I am a confectioner.
Hi, Mayumi! You are a confectioner.
Everything is handmade.
Everything is handmade. They look delicious.
Let's see my kitchen.
Let's see your kitchen. Yay! Huh? 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What are these numbers?
This is the mixing speed. 1 and 4.
That is the mixing speed. What? 170. What number is this?
170 is the temperature for baking cupcakes.
170 is the temperature for baking cupcakes. Ooh.
The cupcakes are ready.
Yummy!
I am Guardia Mayumi. I am a confectioner.
Thank you, Mayumi.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.